Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the Google camera with portrait mode and the HDR plus support for Galaxy S7, S8 and Note 8 Exynos variants. And you may be wondering why Note 8 already has dual camera. This one is a pixel camera for the single camera and it does the job what Pixel 2 does, but in a way of like software thing. We have the uh, Google Pixel camera which has the portrait mode and the HDR plus, now supporting the S7 and S8 Exynos variants. So let's take a look at how it works and also some sample pictures. Now to install the camera, I just need to install the APK which I have provided down below in the description and you will get this. So it's the camera and it's also working on the Oreo Beta, which I'm using the 4th version, so it's working. Okay, at the first time when you start, let's go into the settings and you just need to go into the BSG mods to get the portrait mode working. Let's go to model, select Nexus 6. Then this will be disabled at default, so portrait mode on all models. So just select this and get back. There will be developer options down here, so let me focus. Okay, yes, developer settings and these two boxes. So the camera face boxes, camera.af day big show, this will be turned like this will be like that by default, so just need to turn this off and turn this on and just disable the clean the app, then again open the camera and you will have portrait. I already have it because I had the settings. First, when you open the app, you will have the lens blur feature. Now just switch to the portrait mode and it only works on the back camera of the device, so not the front camera. So how to use it, I will tell you now. Just flip it over. I will just tell you a small sample here. So let me smile a bit. So we have clicked the picture and I will also post the pictures here like after this clip, so you can just see the pictures now and I will just continue the other clip. So these all were the images which I have taken with the Galaxy S8 camera, which is a single camera, not a dual camera. And with this mod I have been really awesome. And now we have just clicked the picture right here like I was shooting, and this, let's see, the cameras and the other things are blurred. There is some amount of, you can see it's really nicely done. The job is nicely done. We get a good bokeh effect, so that's really awesome. I really love this now. So guys, that's it for the video for the Google camera with portrait mode support and HDR plus for the Galaxy S7, S8 and Note 8 Exynos devices. I hope you will enjoy this, and if you have like if you click some pictures, just send me to my Instagram. Just I will put them as story, like I will just screenshot them, and so you can DM me on Instagram your pictures which are clicked on your Galaxy S8, S7, Note 8 or any other Nougat device which is a 64-bit OS like the ARM64, like the S8 it is 64-bit. I came to know about it like it's 64-bit, so I tried on it. And yes, you can also try it on your 64-bit device. When there will be a 32-bit version, I will just do it on my J7 and then show you guys. So guys, that's it for the video. If you guys really like this video, press the like button. If not, press the dislike button and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. I will just enjoy using this portrait mode, and also yes, I will click some pictures and post it on Instagram too soon. Bye bye. I will see you guys in the next one. Yeah.